Good morning, children. Today we are going to see a lesson in science, which is food and nutrition. Okay, children. So, shall we start now? Yes. Have you had your breakfast? Okay. So, what breakfast you had? Yes, very good. Okay, children. So, why do you eat food? What makes you to eat food? What does that food gives you? The food gives us energy. Yes, very good. The food gives us energy. Okay. So there are many living things. Okay. So there are many living things which need food to grow. So the food help us to grow also. Then the food help us to give an energy. Then it can help us to stay healthy. Yes, very good, ma. Okay. Now this food we should eat, no? So just take whatever you want. If you're going to eat idli means you can take just some count only, or 3 to 4 you can eat. Okay, if you're not going to eat till that, if you're going to exceed apart from that, means you will get some disease, or you will be getting some obesity. Then a lot of just weight will be increased. Okay, so all these things which you are going to learn now, what is the food you want to take, where you will need to get the food. So all these things will be learning in this lesson in deep. Okay, children, shall we start? Yes. So the food which take, no, so that we intake, that is a nutrition. So what is a good food we take, that is called as a nutrition. So what does a nutrition gives us, ma'am? You may ask a question. There is a question raised here. So the nutrition gives us energy. The energy in the sense, in what way? It helps us to grow. So the nutrition helps us to grow. There are many types of nutritions are there. Okay, so there are different types of nutritions. For example, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Okay, children. So apart from that, there are many different nutritions. Some of them examples only I have given now. Okay, children. Yes, next, these nutritions, what they do means they help us in many ways. Okay, so how they help us means they can help us to keep our body. So they help us to keep our body brisk by doing our daily activity. Okay, children, can you understand till now? So the nutritions, what does that means? You can get a clear understanding or clear idea about that. So nutrition is nothing but it is a useful substance. Okay, so it is also a food. In what means a useful, whatever you're intaking will be useful. It is healthy. It can help us to develop our body, and it help us to reproduce our body. It help us to grow. So all the useful thing it will give. So that useful thing is called as a nutrition. Okay, children, till now can you understand? Yes, next we are going to see about sources of food. What is that? Sources of food. Okay, the sources of food is nothing but where do we get this food? Okay, so the sources of food can be from both plants and animals. Okay, so first we will see food we get from plants. The food from plants. Okay, so whatever the food we are getting from plants, there are many things. It's not one or two. There are different plants we get food from them. Okay, so we will list out and say. Then I will say the useful things. To get a clear understanding, I will add a picture on that also. Okay, children? Yes. So this plants gives us, what are the things that the plants gives us? It gives us fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, spices and herbs. Okay, so what does the cereals gives us? The cereals gives us carbohydrate. Okay, so it is a nutrition. Okay, so it is good for health. What does it carbohydrate gives means it helps us to grow. So whatever it is not about the height, it can help us to grow our internal organs also. So that will take in charge of the carbohydrates. Then we'll move to pulses. What does a pulses means? The pulses is a main source of proteins. The same thing, as we grow taller, it's not enough, no. What we should get, apart from that growing tall, we should be strong also. So this strong will be taken up by pulses. Okay, so it is a major source of proteins. Protein itself, it is a good for health. Then it is a major source. So from the protein only we are getting the pulses. So it helps us to grow strong. Then fruits and vegetables. We all know what is a fruit and vegetables. So fruit can gives us both the fruits and vegetable gives us minerals and vitamins. So what does it help us to do? It will protect the minerals and vitamins will protect us from disease. Okay, so whatever the disease we are getting, no, will just protect. It is just a security for us and it will protect from the disease. Then herbs and spices. So herbs and spices which is help us to improve our health. So even in case if you got a health issue or if you are feeling sick, from that you want to recover, no, so that will be made, the strength will be given by herbs and spices. Okay, then how we can take this herbs and spices? We can take up by adding to a food or adding to the herbs and spices to give a flavor. If it's your favorite food is biryani, so there are many flavors will be added into that. Okay, you can add a chili powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, then all these things, turmeric powder, all the things what it will give a special aroma, which is a smell, no. So that flavor will be given by herbs and spices. Okay, children. Yes. Next, we are going to see about sugar. Okay, so we all know what is a sugar, right? It is a basic thing to eat or for drink the coffee or tea or milk or Horlicks, Boost, whatever. So all the things it is just taken up from the sugar cane. It is taken up from sugar cane. Okay, so what is the uses of sugar cane? Means just not for using for just doing puja alone while we are praying for Pongal. No, it is not only for that. Apart from that, it can be used for that sugar. No, what is the natural use of sugar is not chakra. They will be saying in Tamil. Okay, so that is a major useful thing. If you know it is taken up from the sugar cane. Okay, but after adding chemicals, no, that what you are eating daily, it is a white color, it is not healthy. The brown color sugar is only it is healthy for us. Okay, so that is a natural sugar. Then next we are going to see about tea. So where this tea is taken, it is taken up from the tea leaves. So what you are seeing now, no, it is that tea leaves. Okay, so it is taken up from that only. They will filtrate, they will make a powder, and then only we can able to get that tea. Okay, it can be in any quantity or quality. Okay, so whatever from the first quality to the third quality you will be having, it be provided there. Okay, children. Yes. Then coffee powder, same like tea powder only, coffee powder also. It is also taken up from the plants. It is just a bean. Okay, so it is round beans. No, it is like that piece like structure. It is a piece like structure. Then it can be in a first it will, if it is a raw means then it will be in a green color. As it go older, it will just mature, no, so that it will turn into yellowish green, then pure yellow, then orange, then it will turn into a red, dark red color. Okay, so after drying up only they can make into an brown coffee seeds. Okay, from there only we can take that. Okay, children, so what you seen from the thing, it is taken, that food it's taken up from the plants. Okay, children, so first what we saw cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, sugar, tea, and then coffee. Okay, children, can you understand till now? Okay, now we will move to food which we get from animals. So there are many useful animals which help us in many way. We will be listing out. I will be listing out. You can able to just see one by one. Okay. Yes, we'll start now. the most important food from animal is milk. So most of the animals which is helping, no, it is helping in the form of milk only. Okay, so we can get milk from cow, we can get milk from buffaloes, we can get milk from camel, then sheep, then goat. Okay, so we can get the milk from these animals. Okay, so each one where we can get these animals easily means, for example, if you are going to get a camel milk, you can go to where there's a camel will be live, it will be living in desert. Okay, so you can, it is a living in desert, so we can get there the milk, camel's milk. Okay, so those who are living in the desert, they used to drink their camel's milk. Then if you're going to one Himachal Pradesh or high hilly areas, there will be some mountains, no, so hilly areas will be just, there will be present sheep and then yak. Okay, so what you are seeing in the picture is a yak, so it is mostly seen in the hilly areas only. Okay, so those who are living in there, they will be using to drink these sheep and yak milk. Okay children, then we get a lot of milk products, no, so daily without milk a day won't be finished. Okay, so the taste what we are going to take, no, that is in a different form, but all the sources is from milk only. For example, if you are going to take a butter, that is also from the milk, it is turned from the milk. Then cheese, so if your pizza, burger, all the things you will be eating, no, so all things are fast food, so try to avoid the fast food. It is a very dangerous to a healthy life. Okay, so it will spoil the healthy life. So to get a healthy life, you should avoid the fast food. So the pizza, burger, all the things, for just try to avoid step by step. Okay, I did not say you to just stop at it once. If you are going to take a daily, means weekly once you take, then you stop it with a monthly once, then you can try to stop it fully. Okay children, yes. So then most of them, this pizza, burger, all the things or fast food, it is mainly filled with the butter, cheese, ghee and so on. Okay, so ghee is a purest form. Okay, so it is a pure thing we can eat. If it is you are preparing at a home, they can get a pure aroma of that. Okay children, next the milk, no, what I said is a milk. The milk is called as a food. It is a complete food. What is present in that milk means the proteins, minerals, vitamins and fats. So all the things are present in the milk. So that is why it is useful for every living organism. Okay, so what that animals also we can able to use in not only the milk, it can be useful in all the ways. It can give their flesh also. So we in Sunday and all, you will be eating fleshy things, no, chicken, mutton, fish, all the things are animals only. So hen, then everything of what a hen also will give an egg. So all the things are we are eating from the animals only. Okay, so some will be eating a rabbit, some they will be eating chicken, some they will be eating mutton, then fish, then turkey, then ducks. Some there will be many people used to eat now. Okay, so everything are taken up from the animals only. Okay, so we eat meat of animals such as goat and hen also. The goat is taken from the mutton. So what you are getting from the fleshy part of the goat is called a mutton. Okay, so what you are taking from the hen, no, the fleshy part is called as a chicken. Okay children, then apart from that all animals, the main basic thing, important source of food is just from the fish, because the fish is rich in protein. Okay, so fish has a rich in protein. Till now can you understand children? So just try to avoid the food what you are eating now. Just follow the basic nutrition, so you should be healthy now. Okay, so nowadays there are many diseases spreading all over the world. So you should keep your body healthy. So try to keep your body healthy, eat healthy foods, drink juice. Instead of taking some kurkure, lace or some other products, try to eat what are the given pulses. So your mother will be just preparing the useful pulses, no? Konda kadala or mochakotta, then karuppu kadala, vella kadala, aprom carrot, no? Instead of taking some fast food, just simply if you're going to ask your mother or parents, they will be getting just tell them to give one small piece of one carrot is enough to take the snacks. Okay, so that is even better to take that. Okay, so try to avoid the fast food, children. Okay, children. Okay, we'll wind up now. Okay, children. So last you will be getting the assignments. So copy down what are the homework which is given. Try to complete it properly and then submit in the group. So just listen the lessons what is taught now. We can see the new chapter in the next video, children. Okay, children. Thank you.